Ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́ ní gbogbo ìgbà tẹ́ bá ń wò mí. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò yìí. Ètò yìí la mú wá sí etí ìgbọ́yín jákèjádò orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́tẹ́tí kẹ́ bá wa wo àwọn fídíò yìí. Ẹ bá wa like ẹ share ẹ dẹ̀ subscribe sí channel wa. Ẹ kú ojú lọ́nà o.
Social media lẹ́gbọ̀n tó rọrùn àkáyè lónìí mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ sí Sunday Igboho dákọ̀ ẹ bá ń ṣe fídíò ẹ̀kọ́ lọ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀ Igboho sà yẹ sọ fún ọ ọ̀fẹ́ anábìbọ̀rà mo ti gbọ́ pé ó ti dàrúpọ̀ bání ọba bání sọ́ra rẹ̀ ọba bání kò jẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀ wàláì tàláì bání kò jẹ́ ìgàgàfà ọ̀fẹ́ anábìbọ̀rà àwọn ìyàn bání àbẹ̀rù rẹ̀ tó bá jẹ́ pé ọmọge ni ọ mo fi anábìbọ̀rà Sunday Igboho ìwọ ọmọge ni ọ àwa àti pé afa àfẹ́ ẹ̀mí wa àfẹ́ wàlá àfẹ́ tani ọ wèrè ìwọ bàtà lọ́jẹ́ mo fi anábìbọ̀rà tó bá òwò abá ní ó ti jẹ bàbá rẹ̀ ọmọ rẹ̀ ṣé Fúlàní ló pa ìyá rẹ̀ àbí òun ló pa bá rẹ̀ àwa Fúlàní bá ní ajé olè pé Yorùbá tó wà bá ní kó béèrè pé ṣé Fúlàní bá ní ọjẹ́ olè ní ajé olè owó làwọn wà kùsà tó wíwùn ṣé ó lè yóò lọ kùsà kó lọ wà o ẹni tó jẹ pé yóò wà o yóò lọ ṣe olè kò ní lọ kùsà wàlá ẹ ṣọ́ra rẹ̀ abẹ́rù rẹ̀ tó bá ó ti gbé ẹsẹ̀ rẹ̀ jáde sí ibi tí ọwọ́ abá ní mo fi ọlọ́mbọ̀ra onílòlé ẹgbẹ́ ẹsẹ̀ rẹ̀ kó jáde bẹ́tì wàlá onílòlé táníyọ̀ ọmọ àlè wàlá òbí ọ̀dà abá ní àti kùsà kò jẹ́ pé ìgàgà lọ́hùn tó bá ó ti jáde sí ibi tí ọwọ́ abá ní onílòlé tí ajé olè ní olómi olè ló mú nínú bá ní ó dàpọ̀ orúkọ bá ní ọba bá ní ló pa ìyá rẹ̀ àbí wọn ló pa bàbá rẹ̀ ẹ wá á sẹ́ndì owó ọkọ̀ fún ọ mo fi ọlọ́mbùrà á sẹ́ndì owó ọkọ̀ ẹ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀rọ epo á sẹ́ndì owó ọkọ̀ fún ọkọ̀ wa á sẹ́ndì owó fún ẹ wá wèrè ṣé ìwọ jẹ́ ṣé sọ́jà ni àbí kíni àbẹ̀rù rẹ̀ àwọn Fúlàní àbẹ̀rù rẹ̀ láti ọ̀tọ̀ ọ̀pá Fúlàní aláì irọ́ ló ń pa wèrè jẹ́ burú ọba.
fake Fúlàní ló ń pa ó tí pọ̀ original Fúlàní jẹ́ ká sọ fún wọn.
ọmọge ni ọ wàlá ọmọge ni ọ mo dùn ìnàfẹ́ ọmọge ọmú rẹ ló jẹ báyìí.
Revolution now! Revolution now! Revolution now!
Calm down. Okay, I hope all the people they broke my left hand. The things that they stole from me, your people. I hope you are
Your glasses number one. I saw when they picked it up.
Okay.
Over there.
Hey, come on.
No. Okay, calm down and cut this. Wait, relax. Press. Let's go. Not one. Let's go. Relax. Allow the leader.
He's in the custody of.
Correctional center. That's what we wanted to hear. That's what we wanted to hear.
Yes, to be abducted and kidnapped. No. Yes, he's not on that train. Stay away. He's not on that train.
Yes.
Stay away from him.
Let's go.
But tell your guys to
yes, exactly. Exactly. Stay away. Stay away. Stay away. I cannot push me. Come on there now. Why you pick the rice? 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 You. Why you pick the rice? Hand him over, please shift. the court order that he should be remanded in Kuje Correctional Center, and it's not your duty to escort him. Thank you. Hey, President. President, we are coming to see you. President, march with honor, Revolution! Now! Revolution! Now! Revolution! Now! Revolution! Now! Yes. Move, please. It's okay. No, don't push him. Take your time and speak.
When you are sending people still billions to prison, you put them in a van. Why do you want to put me in
Black Maria?
What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong?
Is there another vehicle to escort him?
There is no any vehicle.
So,
we look for Uber. We follow you.
Yes,
I don't
you can go.
This thing because of my back. You cannot put me in Black.
Or you put him in a proper place. Yes.
Even if you want the DSS to follow us, let them give us one car. I will follow them. But don't put me in the Black Maria.
No.
Okay. Can you follow them? Yes. No, don't worry.
No. President. He's back. Listen.
I will go with them. Please, don't make any mistake. So we don't make any mistake. Don't worry. Don't worry. No. Let's go.
He's back.
Where's his bag? Follow me. All right, we are going to Kuje. Give me chance. All of us, let's drive to Kuje. Then they craze. What I say, she already approved the rice, idiots.
Give me the key. No Christ, though.
He's not a policeman.
No, are you a policeman?
He's not.
No, it's not true.
A policeman.
Let me see your crest.
He's not a policeman. He's not a policeman.
What's your first number? Me, I can't read it. It's eating all over. An SPO, ASP. Okay, this rank. Is that why you wear slippers and you're on the road?
Because of the rain.
Let me see your belt. Let me see the belt you are wearing. Let me see the kind of belt you are wearing.
Because of the rain.
Let me see the kind of belt you are wearing to your uniform. Wait. Is this policeman?
Is it Ania is
you are a very responsible officer. Get his details. Where are you serving? Don't talk in no. Where are you serving? Where are you serving, my friend? Keep quiet. Stop that nonsense.
Safe highway.
They tell you to be disgracing yourself. You are disgracing yourself. You are not fit to wear that rank. Get his details for me.
What's your AP number?
You. Why do you block road? Go and remove those things first. Why did you block that road? I'm talking to you. No crest, though.
He's not a policeman.
Are you a policeman?
He's not.
No, it's not true.
A policeman.
Let me see your crest.
He's not a policeman. He's not a policeman.
What's your first number?
2417.
When did he join the police?
Come on.
Is he a policeman?
No. Call again. He's not a policeman. Call.
24. 17. 34.
Look at his own name tag. He's woven. He's cursive. This one, they are not in the police. Are you a serving policeman?
Yes, sir.
Is this how they sew black?
What's your name?
Who are working here in country. We don't want any foreigner to run any business here, including you. So today you close him. I'm a law-abiding citizen. I have the legal documents. I'm looking for the direction for the government. If the government insists that I should close my shop and go, it's coming from the government direction. I will close and go.
So you are ignoring this organization?
I am not ignoring the organization, but at the end of the day, the organization stated that they are chasing illegal immigrants. I'm not illegal. I've run a business. I have this company for more than 13 years. Paying tax, paying taxes, employing workers, training workers by myself. How am I doing something illegal at that perspective? Is that illegal?
Not at all.
So that's what I have my confidence. I'm ready to go. What I'm telling them, I'm ready to go close. Even today. What I'm begging you guys is, get me a South African who is capable to manage this shop. I have 30-something workers here, South Africans, who, if you close this shop, they will be displaced. I want to make sure that while I'm going, they're in good hands. You give me money for my socks and everything, I will leave the shop for you. I'm even tired of all this harassment there and there. Everyone is tired. So I'm not arguing to go. My own problem is that I have trained workers over the years, for more than 13 years. It's a hard work to train good workers. They are here, a number of them. If I close and go, what about their fate? I told them several times, can you manage the shop? They said, no, the rent is expensive. Okay, calm down for me. I'm not going. I'm not